Lady, wait for me, okay? Because we will kill you. Stay there first. So you're gonna tie the. Oh, let him walk around a little bit, so we can put our boots now. Okay. So this. Wow. A beautiful boots for today's video. For the pig. Hey, Got! Oh my gosh! Hey! Look at the knife. Ah, you smell the knife to cut your neck. See? Do you know that too much animals are die using this knife? So you too today, and that pig. Oh my gosh, don't go away. Stay here. I'm gonna tie your hair first so you can see how. So I will tie the goat hair first to wait for me to kill him also. We're gonna kill the pig first to. Then after we kill the pig, next is the goat. Okay, goat. Hi, goat. Oh gosh. Eh. Sige, bet. Krem, tanggal krem kay patay. Patay.
Kan sa kulit ko daw.
Krem, namatay na.
La.
Duta. Hindi ko tapok matin. Nangikog. So guys, we move here downstairs because it's raining, and the goat was jumping from upstairs. So, ayan yung baboy na kinatay namin kanina, guys. Saka kambing. So, ayan yung kambing. Yan.